Welcome. In front of me I have the AirPods of the first generation, and I'm gonna show you how to check the identification number of the AirPod. So first grab your case, open it and pull out the AirPod, and you have to move it like this. And I hope that you see, here you can find it, and here is in this one A1722, and on the second also the same place, it is here, and this one is A1523. So this is how you check the identification number of your AirPods. I hope that I'll help you guys. If I do, leave like, subscriptions, and of course comments below.